Oh yeah, yeah. Ooh, baby, what you say? I ain't here to conversate, baby.
Jumping right into the video, I'm sculpting my eyebrows out with Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in the color Ebony. I'm using my spoolie to give my eyebrows a more natural look, and then going in with Anastasia Cream Contour Kit in the color Cream to clean up my brows.
In Havana, oh na na. He took me back to East Atlanta, na na na. All of my heart is
next, I'm just going to blend out any harsh lines with my blending brush. After completing my brows, I'm going in with MAC Prep and Prime to prime my face, and then I'm also going in with NYX Honey Do Me Up. Now I'm going to apply my Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r foundation in the shade 390 with my stippling brush.
He didn't walk up with a "how you doing"
when he came in the room.
He said there's a lot of girls I can do it,
but I can't without you.
I know forever in a minute.
That summer night in June.
Poppy says he got that Milo in it.
Oh,
ooh, I knew it when I met him. I loved him.
Now I'm going to apply my LA Pro Girl concealer in the shade Warm Honey with the damp beauty blender.
I had to go. Oh no, no, no.
I never really knew that she could dance like this. She makes a man wanna speak Spanish. Como se llama?
Sí.
Bonita.
Sí.
Mi casa.
Shakira,
Su
Shakira.
casa.
Oh baby, when you talk like that, you make a woman go mad. So be wise and keep on reading the signs of my body.
And I'm on tonight, you know my.
Once my concealer is fully blended, I'm going to set my face with Absolute New York's HD Flawless Setting Powder in the shade Brightening Banana. Now I'm going to contour my face with NYX Wonder Stick in the color Deep.
Havana, 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 Havana. Oh, Havana, na na.
Havana, na na na.
Havana, na na, na na, na na.
Now I'm just defining my brows with Fenty Beauty's Kilowatt in the style Hustla Baby.
Half of my heart is in Havana.
I'm taking that same shade and defining the bridge of my nose down to the tip of my nose and also my Cupid's bow. For the lips, I'm going in with Wet n Wild lip liner.
Mi música no discrimina a nadie, así que vamos a romper. Toda mi gente se mueve, mi da ritmo como los tiene. Hago música quien te entiende. El mundo nos quiere, me quiere.
Now I'm going in with MAC Matte Lipstick in the shade Kinda Sexy. On top of that, I'm going in with Rimmel London's Kate line in the style 113.
When he came in the room.
I'm setting my face with MAC Fix Plus and going in with my highlight, Fenty Beauty's Hustla Baby.
That summer night in June.
For my lashes, I'm using Allure Lashes in the style Fiercely Fabulous.
I knew it when I met him. I loved him when I left him. Oh, ooh, and then I had to tell him.
I'm adding in a dramatic touch by going in my tear duct with Fenty Beauty's Hustla Baby.
Me wanna speak Spanish. ¿Cómo se llama?
Sí.
Bonita.
Sí.
Mi casa.
Shakira,
Su
Shakira.
casa.
Oh, baby, when you talk like that, you make a woman go mad. So be wise
Sí.
and keep on
Sí.
reading the signs of my body.
And I'm on tonight, you know my hips don't lie, and I'm starting to feel it's right.
I'm lining under my eyes with NYX eye pencil in the color White Pearl.
Si el ritmo te va a mover la cabeza, empezamos como ves.
My is in Havana, Havana, ooh, na, na.
Havana, Havana.